So, in this class, we'll be taughting some interesting maths that have came in the recent examination, such as WBCS, WBSC, Industrial Development Officer, as well as various other examination. Okay, so let's start our session. First, there is a question. The question says itself a plus 2b equal to 5 and a square plus 4b equals to a square plus 4b square equals to 13. Then what will be the value of a into b or ab? This question was came in the examination named Lady Constable West Bengal Police Lady Constable 2023. That means it's a very recent examination. This type of question have came. So matter of fact, you need to understand both formula wise as well as concept wise. You can solve the question in both ways, either applying formula or applying concept. First, let me just go with the formula. Here we have a plus 2b equal to 5, a square plus 4b square equal to 30. So we can state it like that most of the problem you can solve it. Most of the algebraic problem, this is an algebra based question, algebraic question. Most of the algebraic question you can solve it by general formula, but you need to understand the concept too, because only then you can solve, you'll able to solve the question that are coming in the upcoming examination, because competition is getting higher, right? Competition is getting much higher, so you need to be prepared right now. If you can do the problem in, let's say, 90 second, you need to do it by under 60 second in future, in recent future. Only then you can beat the competition and you can grab your desired post. Okay, so a square plus 4b square equal to 30. Then we can like a plus 2b, the whole square, minus 2 into a into 2b equal to 30. We know the value of a plus 2b, it's 5, and minus 4ab equal to 13. Here we will have 25 minus 13 equal to 4ab. Here we will have 12 as a result, 4ab, and if you like omit this 3, we will have ab equal to 3. Okay, we will have ab, the value of ab will be 3. Clear? Everything is clear? Okay, next question. This is a very interesting question, because this type of question you will get it in UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, CSAT. There is two paper, UPSC GS1 and then CSAT. So the question that came in CSAT is aptitude based, and it requires certain amount of, you could say, your mental power, your ability to calculate between numbers. Okay, so they have says they if ABC and DEF are both 3-digit numbers such that A, B, C, D, E are fair, distinct, non-zero digit. That means A, B, C, D, E, these 6 are A, B, C, D, E, F, these 6 are distinct non-zero digit. That means from between 1 to 9 you can find this 6 A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 digits, such that A, B, C, suppose this is a number, 3-digit number, plus D, E, F equal to 1111. So what will be the value of the sum of the digits A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F? You need to consider that. Okay, so in order to, here I have to put 1. So what are the digit I can put here? Like I can put 8 and 3 here, 8 and 3, that means 11, 1, we have 1 in hand. Then what are the values we can put here? We can put here 4, we can put here 6, 6 plus 4 equal to 10, plus 1 equal to 11. Then we have to make it 10. So we can like draw it this way. We can like 8 and 2, still we have 1, 8 and 2, 10 and 11. That means it's resulted 1111, that was also given in the question. So a equal to 2 8, that means we have to add the whole digit, that these digits, 2 plus 8 10, 4 plus 6 10, and 8 and 3 11, that means 31. So 31 will be our answer. See how easily can solve you the question. It's very easy. If you read between the lines and if you read the question properly, you can easily answer the question. Next, this question came in the examination called WBPSC, West Bengal Public Service Commission, Industrial Development Officer 2019. At what rate of interest per annum will a sum double itself in 8 years? So that means the thing is, if in order to double a sum, that means if it's 1 rupee, it need to be 2 rupees in 8 years. That means in 8 years you need to have a interest equal of that of principal. That means if the principal is 1, my interest should be 1. So my formula is PRT by 100, interest formula. So here P is 1, R I don't know, T is 8 years, and here is 100. Okay, here is 100, and this will cater to 1 because my interest will be 1. This is the formula of interest. If my principal is 1, my interest will be 1, and they resulted 2, and it will double the sum in 8 years. That means my R would be 100 by 8, 12 upon 1 by 2%. Clear? I hope it's clear. Okay. Next question. By selling an article for rupees 450, a man loses 25%. At what price he will sell it in order to gain 25%? So the thing is, there is a common concept. See, you need to consider this. If this is 100, 75% loss means 25% loss means 75, and 25% gain means 125. If this is 450, suppose this is 4, that will be 3 and that will be 5. If I divide it by 25, 435, 3 means 450, then what should be 5 means? 450 into 5 divided by 3. That means in order to gain 25%, I need to sell it in rupees 750. Clear? Next question. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and the breadth is reduced by 20%, see, there is a very common or easy way to do it. Take the length as 10 and breadth as 10. It also result a square, but this is also a rectangle, right? Square means also rectangle, theoretically, not practically. So if I increase the length of a rectangle 20, that means it will cater to 12, and the breadth is reduced to 20, that means it will cater to 8. This is result 100, the total area, and this is result 96. That means 4% decrease, a decrease in 4%. Clear? So the decrease will be in 4%. Another way you can do it, plus 20, breadth length is increased, minus 20, breadth is decreased, and plus minus 20 into 20 divided by 100. That means minus 4. The formula is x plus y plus xy by 100. Okay. X means first the increase 20% plus 20, then minus 20, and then plus minus 400. We will have 400 and the sign will be changed to plus minus minus. Here I have wrote the same thing. Okay. So you can do the math in both ways. Next question. This is a very interesting question that is also came in the teachers eligibility test 2023 recent TET. in West Bengal. P that is greater than 2, P greater than 2 is a prime number. Then HCF of P plus 1 and P minus 1 will be. So let's take a value putting method here. It's called value putting method. What does value putting method means? We need to take any number, any prime number greater than 2. Let's take 7. 7, P equal to 7. So that means P plus 1 equal to 8 and P minus 1 will be 6. So what will be the HCF? What will be the HCF of these things? It will be like, the thing is, it will cater to 2, right? Another important thing, if I take 3 also prime number, 3 plus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 and 2, it will be 1. If I take 11 plus 1 and 11 minus 10, that means 12 and 10, we will have 2. If I take 13 plus 1, 13 minus 1, that means 14 and 12. Suppose if I take 17, that's a prime number. You have 18 and you have 16. I have 2. That means it can also be 1 or 2. That means it will always 1, we have 1 as an answer. Of course, in that case, if we have put P equal to 3, that means HCF will be 1. But if we put any other prime number other than 3, we'll have the HCF as 2. That means it will be greater than 1 as well as equal to 1, because we have also 1 as an answer, right? So I hope you will understand whole scenario here. It's a very interesting question on number system. So I'll be teaching you by chapter wise. First I'll be starting with number system, and then I'll be teaching you by previous year's question, many interesting like various important examination like CGL, CSAT, most of the intruding examination that are in the market. I'll be teaching you in this channel on previous year question basis. Okay, so keep follow the channel, subscribe to the channel. I also have a channel that's catered to the UPSC itself. So this channel is solely for maths only. So kindly follow and let me know if you have any doubt regarding this 6 question that I have taught in this video. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.